Thank you for watching. Today I will demonstrate how to obtain Numerai using Uniswap. This tutorial assumes that you already know how to obtain Ether, and you've already installed MetaMask. By watching this video, you will understand how to swap Ether for Numerai using Uniswap, which will also transfer Numerai into your Numerai account wallet. Ready to get started? First, visit uniswap.io and familiarize yourself with the documentation. Uniswap is a protocol for automated exchange of ERC20 tokens. You use MetaMask to interact with a smart contract that executes your exchange. Once you're ready to move on, click Swap Tokens, then click Connect in the top right. You'll be asked to connect to Uniswap once you log into MetaMask. Click Connect. Now my account balance is updated. Click Send in the top. Now you're able to select Numerai as the output token. You can search for it by name, or you can scroll down and find it. Now I don't have any Numerai, so I'm going to, as a test, type 1 into the input field for Ether. You'll see your actual balance in the top right of this cell, and the estimated amount of Numerai you'll receive in the output cell. Below that, the exchange rate is displayed. We need to provide our Numerai account address into the recipient address field. Simply visit the Numerai website and click in the top right corner and click Wallet. Here, you click Deposit NMR and then copy your NMR address. Go back to this Uniswap exchange page and put that address in the recipient address field. You'll note that we show an insufficient balance warning message. That's fine. If you click that, it just shows more details so that you can set your slippage. Your estimated slippage is displayed here depending on your order size. Large orders cause more slippage, so be mindful of that as you contemplate an exchange of Ether for Numerai. You can place a limit on further slippage, and you are encouraged to do so. 1% is probably sufficient for most users. Here, I'm going to set my input back to a balance that's reflected in my account. I'm going to transfer 0.01 Ether and receive an estimated 0.221 Numerai, and it's going to be deposited into the Numerai training account. So let's go ahead and do that. We click Send. MetaMask will have a pop-up asking you to confirm the transaction. So we click Confirm. And we simply wait for the transaction to clear. MetaMask shows a pending transaction above in the top right corner. The blue circle will continue to circle until the transaction clears. Looks like the transaction cleared pretty quick today. So let's review. Once the transaction clears, the balance will update in this page. And also, we can go back to our Numerai account, refresh the page, and you'll see that the transaction has deposited 0.221 Numerai into my account. So now I've successfully swapped Ether for Numerai and funded my tournament account. That's really all it takes. Certainly there are other ways to obtain Numerai, however, this method has the least friction. Your mileage may vary, and you should do your own due diligence prior to exchanging cryptocurrency with any entity, cryptographically or not. Thank you for watching.